GPD offers two blower motor replacement options for 2006 to 2018 Toyota Rav4 models depending on whether the system has automatic temperature climate controls. Refer to GPD Tech Tip number 112 for more information on manual versus automatic climate controls. GPD blower motor 2311714 suits 2006 to 2018 Toyota Rav4 models with a manual temperature control system. This blower motor requires a blower motor resistor 1712842. GPD blower motor 2311701 suits 2006 to 2018 Toyota Rav4 limited models with an automatic temperature control system. This blower motor does not require a blower motor resistor, as it is designed to operate through pulse width modulation (PWM), which is controlled by the ECU. Thanks for watching. For more tech tips like this, visit gpdtechtips.com.